So it's very possible for anyone to be able to build a successful career in America if they have high character and also a desire and a willingness to learn.
سلامونه دوستانو. نن له ښاغلي مایک بکم سره زه مرکه لرم. دا د اسم کمپنۍ مشر دی. ښاغلی ستړی مه سې. کیدای شي په لومړی کې خپل ځان را معرفي کړئ.
Hi, my name is Mike Beckham. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Simple Modern, which is a drinkware company here in Oklahoma.
ډېره مننه. څنګه په دې فکر کې سوئ چې تاسې باید سرمایه‌ګذاري وکړئ او داسې یو غټه کمپنۍ ولرئ؟ لږ راته ووایاست له سابقه.
So when we went about to start the company, we started with an idea of the type of environment and culture that we wanted to build within the company. And we actually established that before we decided what product that we wanted to sell. We also knew that we wanted to sell our product online with Amazon and with our own website. And so we started with those understandings, and then we began a search to determine what type of product we wanted to sell. At that time, stainless steel insulated water bottles had become very popular in the American market because they can keep drinks cold or hot for a very long period of time. So we chose to sell that product, and that's what we've been doing for the last 7 years.
ډېره مننه. بعضې خلک سرمایه‌ګذاري کولی سي، مفکوره یې لري ولې بیا مخته یې نسي وړی، او بعضې خلک یې مخته وړی سي ولې بیا تر پایه یې نسي رسوی. ستا نظر په دې اړه څه دی؟
Well, my experience is that it takes different skills to start a business than to run a business, primarily because running a business is actually about working with other people and organizing people, which is one of the things that we're talking about today in our interview, is how to be a part of an American company and what it's like to work for an American company. So I've enjoyed both steps in the process. I'm unique. Some people like starting things and some people like running things, but I actually like doing both parts of the process.
عزیزانو، ما د کار په اړه یو ویډیو ثبت کړې ده او نن د هغه د مایک په دفتر کې یو. نو ستاسې د مایک شاید بعضې تولیدات پسته زما په ویډیو کې وګورئ، ولې ځینې غوښتنه دا لرم چې څه رقم کارمندان دوی غواړي استخدام کړي، کم مشخصات باید ولري؟
Absolutely. Well, the things that we look for when we're hiring new team members are first and foremost that they have high character, that they are trustworthy, that they do the things that they say they're going to do, that they work well with other people, that they are able to develop relationships with their coworkers and work well with other people, that they have a desire to learn and to grow. So many of the people that are listening to this video, this is a new culture and there are many new things. And so it's very important for anyone, even someone born in America, but especially someone who's new to the culture, to have what we call a growth mindset, a belief that we can learn new things, and although it's not always easy, that it requires challenging ourselves, that we can develop and develop new skills. So these are a few of the characteristics that we look for. And in our company, many of the people that work in our company did not know the things that they needed to know for their current job before they worked here. They developed those skills and learned those abilities while working here. So it's very possible for anyone to be able to build a successful career in America if they have high character and also a desire and a willingness to learn.
تاسو به افغانانو ته وظیفه ورکړئ که چېرې اړتیا ولرئ په راتلونکي کې؟
Sure. We're absolutely open to that idea, and it's one of the things that we're excited about with this facility is that we're going to be able to create more jobs and jobs for people that many of the jobs at this facility are manufacturing jobs and don't require as much English knowledge as maybe other jobs that we have, and so it's something that we are actively exploring.
وروستی سوال به دا وي چې افغانانو ته څه مشوره ورکړئ چې
I would say that making the decision to invest in yourself and in your own skills and abilities is very important. That we now, with cell phones and with computers and the internet, we have the technology to learn just about anything that we want to. And the thing that distinguishes successful people from less successful people in our society is now primarily about desire to learn and taking the initiative to learn and develop yourself. So I can only imagine how difficult it is to move into a totally new culture where there are new ways of doing things and you need a new language to be successful and you need new skills. But these are things that can be accomplished. The information and the resources are out there and many times are free to use, but it requires a discipline to do those things. And then when you do get an opportunity at a job, the ability to quickly learn and to challenge yourself to do more than just show up during the time that you're supposed to be there, but to look to solve problems and find ways that you can be more helpful. These are the ways that you can gain more responsibility and earn more pay and gradually grow your career even in a new culture.
نو د یو موفق سرمایه گذار په صفت وروستی پیام د خلکو ته څه دی خصوصا افغان ټولنې ته
that you're welcome here and that there are many people like me that want to help you to be successful in your new home, and that I realize there are very significant challenges that come anytime you live in a new culture, but there are many friendly people that want to help you to be successful, and that I would encourage you to challenge yourself to be learning and to develop new skills because you can be very successful in America. America is a country where the government is very pro-business and where there are many opportunities for those that take the initiative and have an attitude of wanting to learn and grow and challenge themselves.
ډیره مننه عزیزانو زموږ مرکه هم دلته پای ته رسیږي تر بیا ښه وخت درته غواړم.
Yes, well thank you for the work that you're doing and thank you for having me.